Hello everyone, a new era has dawned and Africa's power shortage crisis is finally fading into history. Thanks to the revolutionary DC time DC energy system, the continent is witnessing a bold transformation in electricity solution. This breakthrough technology is not just an improvement, it is a complete game changer. Across Africa, countries like Nigeria, Zanzibar, and South Africa, once plagued by the unstable power supply, are now embracing the future. By switching to the advanced hybrid solution, solar solution storage energy system, they are cutting electricity costs by an impressive 22% and boosting revenues by over 35 to 40%. The result, full capacity productivity like never before. With noisy generators being phased out and candlelit nights becoming a distant memory, this time is illuminating the path to a brighter, cleaner, and more efficient energy future for millions. Africa's energy transition isn't possible. It is happening right now, and this Times is leading the charge.